Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix nearby people not showing on Telegram. If you face the same issue where you like to get the people nearby you but you don't get their contact on Telegram, we will see how to fix it. So at first, you just have to simply open that Telegram app, and once the app gets open, you will be on to its home page. Now on your left, you can see we have three lines on the top corner. You have to simply click onto it, and after that you have to simply go to the contacts, and there you will see all of your contacts, but you would not see any option where you can find your nearby people. This is because by this new update on Telegram, the Telegram has removed the option to get your nearby people, because due to this option a lot of bots are appearing in your chat, and this was causing some sort of hacking and illegal stuff. Therefore they removed this option. So for now you cannot get any person which is nearby you, but if you would like to get any person nearby you, you just have to simply get their contact number, add them, and after that you will see all of their contacts there. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you so much for watching the video.